Holy cow, it's been a while, guys. I got another one of these monthly EDC boxes that I thought I would bring you guys along with me and let you check this thing out. Monthly EDC is a kick-ass website, man. These guys have been sending me out some really cool stuff. Now, last month, I didn't get anything last month from them. But that's all right. I don't really know what happened, but like I said, we didn't get one. So this month we did. All right, I'm gonna get this box opened up here and we will get to seeing what they have in this thing for us. All right, the monthly knife club. Cool beaners, right? These guys have sent us out a ton of nice stuff. The knife that I used to open the box with came from Monthly Knife Club. Got a sticker, Monthly Knife Club sticker. Cool beans. Beer and destruction device. Let's see what this has got in it. Okay. So, got a bottle opener there. Pry bar, screwdriver. And a belt clip. Be able to put it right on your right there on your old pocket. That's pretty cool. Outstanding. We got another Kube knife. Fancy. It's all sealed in its package too. Nice. That's what this is a Kube. Ooh. Fancy schmancy. Heck yeah. I like that. Check that out. Schmancy. Dig it. Alright. Moving right along. That's a nice knife right there. I might start carrying that one. Alright, let's see. We got another package here. Ramete. If that's pronounced right, I don't know. Schmancy little case for it. Okay. I think they may have sent me one similar to this a few months ago. It's just got a different camouflage pattern on it. Yeah. That is definitely a nice satin finish on that. Looks good. Yeah, boy. Look at that. I like it. Like it. Alright, I'm going to put that back in its little pouch. And it looks like we got one more thing in the box other than the Monthly Knife Club advertisement that comes in every one of these boxes. You get the advertisement in it with their price points on the back. And yeah, really cool. This is I think this is the collector's package, so this is actually a really expensive one. And we got one more box in here to check out. Binolux binoculars, roof prism. Sounds fancy. Nice little leather carrying case. Let's check them out, man. I don't own any binoculars, so this is kind of neat. Well, they work. Cool. Yeah, they work. I can read the writing on the electrical box on the telephone pole about 50 yards away. Pretty neat. All right, man. Binolux. Very cool. Monthlyknifeclub.com for the win again. These guys have impressed me every single time they have sent one of these boxes out. I've never been disappointed. So, for the ladies in the back of the room, Father's Days, birthdays, Christmases, things of that nature, go and check out monthlyknifeclub.com. He wants you to go there and check this out for him. I don't know any dudes that would be upset with their wives for buying them a 6-month or 12-month membership to the monthly knife club. I wouldn't be upset about it. I mean, I technically already have a membership, but if I was anybody else, I would thoroughly be excited to see this well-packaged box show up every month, full of all of these epic goodies. Come on. I'm telling you, ladies, your husband wants you to do this. Surprise him with something cool that he can actually use. All of us dudes, if you're a self-respecting man, you should have a knife in your pocket. It's hard for us guys to go out and pick out a nice knife, because if you use your knife, they end up looking like that. You know, I mean, this was a nice knife that I have boogered up pretty good because I use it. I use it every day, multiple times throughout the day. So it makes it hard for me to justify going out and spending $100, $200, $300 on a knife. But if you sign them up for the monthly knife club, they're going to get really nice cutlery coming in for them every month. They can swap it out. They can trade it with their friends for other stuff that they like. There's just a number of different reasons why you should check this out for your husbands, boyfriends, brothers, uncles, so on and so forth. It's worth the money. Therapist approved. If I wasn't already getting this stuff from these guys, I would definitely jump in on a monthly knifeclub.com myself, because it's really cool stuff. That's all I've got for you guys today. Thanks for watching. I will be out on the range very, very soon. I've just been so tremendously busy trying to get this vending machine business up and running that I've just really not had the time to really spend much time on the range shooting gun videos. So bear with me. We will be back around soon. Trust your therapist. He knows these things. Until then, be sure to live your lives to the fullest. Anything less is an injustice to yourself and every single person around you. Stay free, America, if you can. It's time to shut up and shoot. All right, here we go.